Hi there, I'm Lauren. Welcome to day 110. We're starting today with cats in boxes. I'm always coming up with ideas for children's books for architecture. And I don't know, I wouldn't say that I'm a great illustrator, but I have ideas and maybe someday I'll do something with them. But right now I'm thinking about cats in boxes and architecture. And in more mundane news, I ordered a new power cord for my laptop. And the story behind that is the power supply in Holland is different from the power supply in the States. It's a different wattage, different voltage, the whole thing. And so I've been kind of limping along on a power converter and using that for my American products. And the only thing I have left is my laptop. I've been buying new appliances over time that just automatically come with the proper appliance outlets. So this is the only thing I have left, and I'm so looking forward to it. This power converter has been a real trooper, but it's kind of a bottleneck for my power needs. So I Googled it yesterday, and junk food withdrawal is a real thing. It's basically because your brain gets hits of dopamine when you eat junk food, and when you stop, especially cold turkey, you have withdrawals, sort of like quitting drugs. So I'm trying to figure out how to cut back, eliminate my junk food, but just how to do it without making my life in crisis mode. It's not in crisis mode, I'm just grumpy, that's all. So I've been thinking, I am not in the mood to cook. I just don't want to. I don't want to wash dishes. I don't want to do it. So here's the situation. I'm staying with my friend Linda, and she has a 3-story house. The kitchen is in the first floor, and then I have my studio is up on the top floor. And so I brought my Instant Pot upstairs from the kitchen because I'm not planning on cooking, and I just don't want to take up space in her kitchen. That's just rude. I don't want to be that person. So I also learned that all this time I've been calling it an Instapot. It's not. It's Instant Pot. It's 2 words. Well, isn't that interesting and embarrassing all at the same time? I took a nap, and I was tired, and so I just got kind of gnarly about it. So I put down my yoga mat, and then I have these egg crate foam squares that I use for noise. And so I thought, I bet that would be good as a pillow. So I put that down, and I got my eye pillow, and it was cold, so I put my little jacket on, and it was weird, but it worked. I had a nice little nap on the floor. So even though I don't want to cook, I still want to eat well. So that complicates things a lot. And for the last day, I've been soaking rice, thinking that I was going to cook it. But since I don't want to cook it, I'm experimenting. I think you can microwave rice. So I put the rice in jars along with the water that I've been soaking it in, and put it in the freezer. And I will let you know how it turns out. How are you doing today? I would love to know.